Well, hello again. I'm coming to you live from my hospital bed. The medication is giving me the hiccups. So, excuse me. This is not staged. These are actual real hiccups. But I just did a sponge bath at my bed, and I did my hair, well, with this solution. Oh, there you go, with this solution, which is actually pretty good. Um, you don't need water. You could just put it on, and then wipe it off. So, yeah, it's good stuff. Good stuff. These hiccups aren't too good. Yeah, so I would recommend this spa here, spa day at the hospital, a Mid Hudson Regional spa day, for a sponge bath when you can't move because you decided to push yourself. I'm speaking about myself in third term. Because you decided to push yourself and remove sheetrock and, well, not do it with the crowbar. And I have all of that equipment, those tools. So, I guess I was asked for this. No, I wasn't. I was just trying to get stuff done because I have to do everything on my own. And the guy that was supposed to work, he was a no-show, and he's done this a couple of times, and I don't really even want to have him work for me anymore, but he actually owes me money, so he's going to have to just, when I get out of here, he's going to be finishing the job. The nerve. Yeah, well, not showing up. I don't like that. But anyway, spa day here at Mid Hudson Regional Hospital. It's been spectacular. I recommend it. I don't recommend removing sheetrock without a pry bar and without help. But again, I'm so used to doing everything on my own because I've been on my own like forever, and for me to sit and wait is like for me to see like a fire and not do anything about it. I just can't. I just can't. I like to do stuff anyway. But now I know. No sheetrock removal on a step ladder without anybody on the premises with me. OSHA would have definitely given me a fine for that move there, for sure. But anyway, I hope I made somebody laugh, and I'm just making these videos because I want to just talk about my experience and share my hiccups with everybody. No, not share my hiccups, but like I said, I'm so used to doing everything on my own because I've been on my own for a long time. I remember when my son was a baby, living in a tenement building, and we didn't have a washer or dryer at the time, and having to push the laundry wagon up, hold my son in front with one hand, and then pull the laundry wagon up a big hill, a big hill. Anybody familiar with the Northeast Bronx knows that there's a lot of hills over in the Wakefield area. So anyway, that's my story on why I do so much. Anyway, more to follow. Thanks for watching. And if you like what I have to say, because I say some good stuff, and sometimes I'm just talking about, well, anything and everything, follow my channel. Okay, till next time. Hopefully, well, my hair will be, well, I wanted to take a shower. They wouldn't let me. They were like, no shower. Well, I got this thing on here. Hold on. Look at that. It goes all the way down. all the way down to my ankle. Oh, my mid-calf. Yep. Let's see. Let's see what this is here. Oh boy, look at these rods. So they put screws in my knee and in my patella. Yeah, to stabilize it. And some other equipment in there. So that's what's holding my leg together. That's what's holding my leg together. And that's the story. Oh my God, look at the hairy toes. Oh my God, look at the hairy toe knuckles. Are you kidding me? Don't you dare show them. I'm just having some laughs. Anyway, see you next time. Hopefully I won't have hiccups next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.